Hi, this is Chris Harris, and I'm hosting this week's episode of Gatorland Tech. This week we'll be featuring the Bird's Eye View camera. Let's talk a little bit about that feature. The Bird's Eye View with Perimeter Scan utilizes 4 cameras, one in the front, one in the back, and one on each side mirror. Using those 4 cameras, it creates a seamless image in HD. That way you can see what's above you as well as what's next to you. You can also have that same view while driving. Put the vehicle in drive, press that same button, and you'll have that same view. That way you can get through tight corners and see where you're going. If you press the button a second time, you can see the sides of the vehicle. When you select reverse, the camera will automatically pop up showing the bird's eye view on the right and your regular rear view camera on the left. You can change on the bottom left by clicking to the wide set, full screen, and the split between the bird's eye view and regular camera. What's that there on the side of the car? Let's investigate. There it is. Little Johnny's leaving his toys out again. Let me get it. This technology is available on select Toyota vehicles. Find it here at Gatorland Toyota.